So today we know uh, how to install uh, Prometheus Node Exporter in Ubuntu 22.0 4P. Okay, so firstly you search apt search Prometheus node exporter. Yes, you can see Prometheus Node Exporter is here. So apt install node Prometheus Node Exporter. Okay, simple. And you can see, just enter and it is installed. And where is config file? So Prometheus config file is /etc Prometheus and prometheus.yaml. I show it just give me a few minutes. Yeah, so you can see Prometheus Node Exporter is successfully installed without any error. You can see systemctl status Prometheus Node Exporter. Yeah, it's running now. Okay, and where is config file? So you can see config file. I think network issue. So Prometheus config file /etc prometheus.yaml में होता है. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Okay, thank you.